Hey guys, Kyle Vaz with Ing Chao's Armory. I'm just going to be doing a quick little tutorial to show you how to assemble your 3-inch extension and the Tsuba. So all you're going to need is an Allen wrench. Now some of you that have ordered sound, you will be getting a additional little insert that goes in here because the sound, which I've showed in my previous video, is a little bit larger than the stun. So this is actually a lime color. It's one of my favorites. So as always, chassis comes all in one, and what we're going to do is, see, this is the insert here. All right, so we're going to slide this insert back in, and this insert allows you to go from sound to stun. So we're going to slide the stunt in, and there we go. All right, so in order to put the extension on there, what we're going to do is unscrew the emitter piece, take off the 2.5-inch Tsuba. Now if you guys want, you can message me. Some of you have, if you want the 2.5-inch Tsuba included within the TSL upgrade that you guys have gotten. All right, I can include that also too. All right, and all we're going to do is we're going to insert the extension that goes right on there. All right, now what you'll notice is the extension now has a new blade retention. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the old blade retention screw and use that for the insert. Okay, a lot of people might not want to use this insert. That's totally fine. All you're going to do is just get an extra 7 inches. So slide that in there, and all we're going to do, just tighten up a little bit, and there you go. Slide that on, make sure that's good and snug, and then just reinsert the emitter. Now if you want to, you can go with Tsuba-less design. I kind of prefer that when I have the Saber at a standard, but at this full length, I really do like this